Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create text with Smoky effect in CapCut. So here you need to download the free smoke overlay video on YouTube. You can just type in keyword smoke overlay, then many results will show up. Then you can just download one. And after that, open CapCut and then start a new project in CapCut using a black background like this. Then you can set the duration as you like. I'm going to go with, I think, 7 seconds. And then after that, go to text and then write whatever you want. Then you can choose your favorite font. I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the size. Click on a check icon and now just export the video. And after it has been exported, just start a new project with the video you save and also the smoke overlay. And in here, click on the text video and set it as overlay. And now I'm going to trim the main video so it aligns with the text. Okay, now click on the overlay and then go to blend. Click on darken and set it to around 65. Okay, so now you are done. Just click on a check icon and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.